in 2002, so celebrating 20 years this year. Started playing guitar when I was about 14, and it just remained a lifetime interest. We're a full-line music store. We also teach lessons. I do a lot of repair work, so it kind of covers all the bases. There's a lot of music in the area. There's some really good musicians. All the guitar players, they all have their own story, their own style, and their own music. There's all different kinds and all different sounds, but everyone kind of develops a favorite over the years. So yeah, I'm a Strat guy. There's been a lot of really nice vintage pieces that have come through. Of course, you always remember those, an old Gibson or an old Martin. You know, it's fun to connect the customer with the vintage piece and see their excitement, you know, and how much they love the instrument. So guitar is, you need to learn music theory, you need to learn what you're doing, but it's also a very instinctual instrument, and there's many people that play by ear and play very well. This is an 8-string baritone. Yeah, I hope to be around for a while. It's a lot of fun to meet all the people.